Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by pinpointing the issue. Open Device Manager now and find the device with the yellow triangle. Once found, right-click and choose Properties to read the exact error code. This tells you why Windows flagged it. Make sure to note driver version and device manufacturer. This helps decide update versus rollback. While you do that, unplug any external peripherals that might confuse identification, and prepare admin credentials. These steps speed the fixes that follow. Now take action. Choose Update Driver and try Search automatically. If that fails, select Browse My Computer and point to a downloaded driver from the vendor. Once done, if problems persist, uninstall the device from Device Manager and immediately restart. Windows often reinstalls a working driver on boot. Make sure to match hardware ID and properties details with the driver package. Using the vendor driver avoids generic compatibility issues and reduces repeated errors. Finish by confirming the triangle is gone and testing the device's function. Open its properties to verify the driver is running properly. If trouble remains, run Windows Update and the manufacturer's diagnostic utility, because system updates often resolve dependency conflicts. If that still fails, roll back the driver or change ports and check BIOS or power settings for disabled controllers. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to uninstall stubborn drivers, then reboot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.